When you search for the best Stamina 1110 rowing machine, everything just looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to really get what works and what's just flashy, you need to look a little deeper. Product number 1, YOSUDA Magnetic Rower. First up is the YOSUDA Magnetic Rower, priced at $239.99. What caught my attention here is its high-power magnetic resistance system. If you want a machine that adapts to your fitness level, this is worth a serious look. This flexibility is perfect whether you're just starting or pushing for peak performance. Plus, it's built for users up to 62 tall and supports a maximum weight of 350 pounds, so it's got a solid structure that feels stable even during intense sessions. Now, some people complained about the setup time being a bit long. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, you'll find it's 80% pre-assembled, so most users can get going in under 20 minutes. That's pretty manageable in the grand scheme of things. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a sturdy rower that offers a full-body workout and integrates with an app for an engaging experience. Skip this one if you want something less expensive, but honestly, the investment pays off for serious fitness enthusiasts. Now, if the price of the YOSUDA bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Drypex Magnetic Rower. Next up is the Drypex Magnetic Rower, coming in at a budget-friendly $169.99. It immediately caught my eye with its dual slide rail design. If you want a stable rowing experience without breaking the bank, this is a great option. This machine features a powerful yet silent magnetic engine, which means less noise at home while you work out. With 16 levels of resistance and a max weight capacity of 360 pounds, it caters to a wide range of users. The slide rails can support users from 45 to 65, making it truly inclusive. However, I found some users unhappy with the seat comfort during longer workouts. Here's the thing though, for most casual users, the seat is perfectly fine. If you're planning on rowing for hours daily, you might want to consider additional padding. This is ideal for anyone looking for a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch in features. If you're after something with a bit more luxury in the seat, you might want to look elsewhere. But for the price, it delivers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need quieter workouts. Product number 3, MERACH Q1S Rower. Now let's talk about the MERACH Q1S Rower, priced at $189.98. I really appreciated its emphasis on quiet operation. If you live in an apartment, this could be your go-to. The MERACH features a smooth and quiet magnetic flywheel system, which means you can row without waking up the entire household. Plus, it connects with the MERACH app for real-time data tracking, keeping your workouts engaging and data-driven. Some users mentioned that the assembly was a bit tricky. I'll be real with you, while it does come partially pre-assembled, it might take you about 30 minutes to get it fully set up. But once you're rolling, it's great. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet, data-driven workout experience. Skip this if you're someone who prefers a simpler, more straightforward setup. For the features it offers, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more compact, the next rower on my list is right up your alley. Product number 4, YOSUDA Bluetooth Rower. Next, we have another option from YOSUDA, this time a Bluetooth-enabled rowing machine priced at $189.99. I was impressed by its full-body low-impact training capabilities. If you're looking to engage almost all your muscle groups, this one's worth considering. This rower's unique design allows you to connect to an app for guided workouts, making it easy to track your progress in real time. With 16 magnetic resistance levels, it can cater to all fitness levels while being gentle on your joints. Plus, it supports users up to 62 tall, making it accessible for most. However, some users pointed out that it can be a bit bulky for small spaces. Here's the thing, while it does take up some room, it's still manageable and offers a great workout experience. This is ideal if you want a full-body workout with app support for motivation. Skip this if you're tight on space, but it definitely brings value for fitness enthusiasts. And finally, if you're really focused on portability, the last product on my list might just fit the bill. Product number 5, Sunny Health and Fitness Rower. Last but not least is the Sunny Health and Fitness Compact Rower, which is a steal at $129.49. The lightweight design is what caught my eye. If you need something portable, this is your best bet. Weighing only 22.4 pounds, it's super easy to move around and store when not in use. Plus, it's compatible with the SunnyFit app, giving you access to a plethora of free workouts. But a few users mentioned that the resistance levels might feel a bit limited for advanced users. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting or want a simple, effective workout, it's perfect. This is great for beginners or anyone with limited space looking to maximize their workout options. Skip this if you're an advanced user seeking high resistance levels. But for the price point, it's a fantastic value. So there you have it. We've covered the YOSUDA Magnetic Rower, Drypex, MERACHQ1S, another YOSUDA model, and the Sunny Health and Fitness Rower. Each has its strengths, whether it's budget, quiet operation, or advanced features, so consider what matters most to you. Happy rowing!